We can see a list of services over here. We can see corresponding metrics like RPM, latency, error percentage. To go to detail, we click on any one of this. This will take us to the detail page of payment service. We can see the same metrics, latency drill down, RPM graph, error graph, haptics graph, then bunch of slow requests, and infrastructure correlation. We can also look at the APIs inside this payment service. We just need to click red. Now we can see all the APIs inside payment service. We can see the corresponding graph for RPM, P90. We can toggle them. We can do a drag select kind of thing. Right. And to dig deeper, we can go to a detail page of any specific API. In this case, we are on Post Event Payments API. We see the same stats for them. We see hits per request, RPM, their percentage. Then here you see a bunch of slow requests. And if I click, I'll see the trace preview over here. Same goes with request errors. I click, I see the trace preview over here. If I click on more info, this will take me to the full page view where I can see the entire trace diagram end to end. I can see the summary. I can see all the database operations happening inside this trace. I can see exceptions, if any, which were thrown. And I can also see distributed tracing. If I click on this, I'll see the end-to-end view. So now this trace cuts across multiple services and I can see all of them over here. If I click on check logs, I'll be able to see the correlation between logs and traces. Right, let me quickly show you external. So this tab will tell you about all the external calls going from payment service, be it to a different service inside CubeAPM or to a third-party service like Google Maps. We'll see all of them listed over here. We'll see all the corresponding graphs. Database tab will tell us about all the DB queries going from application, like all the DB queries from payment service, be it MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis. We'll see the endpoint. We'll see top slow queries as well over here. The errors will show us all the errors which occurred inside any of these services, the count. I can see the stack trace of all the errors. Then let me show you runtime quickly. So this will tell us about all the runtime metrics like heap memory usage, garbage collection, event loop time, etc. So yeah, that's a very quick preview of APM module. Thanks.